Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to check if your PC supports VBS in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To check if your PC supports VBS, Virtualization-Based Security, you can use the built-in System Information tool in Windows. Press Windows key +R, type msinfo32, and press Enter. In the System Summary, scroll down to find Virtualization-Based Security Services Running. Virtualization-Based Security Required Security Properties. If these entries are present and show values like running, or list required properties, for example, Secure Boot, DMA Protection, your system supports and may be actively using VBS. VBS requirements. To support and enable VBS, your system must meet the following hardware and firmware prerequisites. UEFI firmware with Secure Boot enabled. Hardware virtualization, Intel VTX, or AMD SLAT. Second level address translation, Intel EPT, or AMD RVI. TPM 2.0, Trusted Platform Module, is recommended for full feature support. IMU, VTD, AMDV for DMA protection. 64-bit CPU architecture. Older CPUs may emulate some features, but performance and compatibility can suffer. VBS is typically disabled by default on upgraded systems and enabled on OEM devices. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.